To capture the brutal reality of the Industrial Revolution, Charles Dickens didn't just describe polluted factories. He built a literal machine out of his words. Take his famous description of Coketown. He starts with a completely static scene, colored and unnatural, red, black, and toxic purple. But a static image can't convey the physical rattling of the mechanisms, so he injects the melancholy madness of an elephant, and the text itself begins to tremble. Then the paragraph becomes a physical stamping press. He repeatedly hammers the word same down onto the page, physically stripping the workers of their individuality. But repeating a single word only creates a list. To truly trap the reader, the sentence structure has to eliminate any chance of escape, so the final lines lock into a mechanical loop. Dickens structures the syntax so every single day is mathematically identical to the last, and just like that, the static painting from the very beginning of the passage is completely gone. It has transformed into a massive melancholy steam engine, using its relentless rhythm to trap you entirely inside the factory.